So friends, let's see today's lovely rice snack, which is super delicious and easy to make. So here in a large bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of rice flour. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour or besan, some salt to taste, next I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain or ova, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. Now we're going to mix all these dry ingredients really well together. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. Mix this really well. Let the ghee nicely coat all the dry ingredients. And then you're going to add about 4 tablespoons of water, a little at a time, and knead this into a nice firm dough. It should all come together really well like this, and then we're going to cover and set this aside for about 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, you're going to take a small ball of the dough and you're going to roll it out into a thin stick like this, and then bring the two ends together to form a shape like this. Isn't that really look pretty? So in this way, I made all these shapes with the whatever remaining dough was there. So you can actually make as many as you want, and you can store the dough for about a day or two and make them whenever you feel like. So they look like this, and now all we have to do is just deep fry them till they're nice and crispy, and then drain the excess oil on some kitchen napkin or kitchen towel. Now once these are ready and they have cooled down completely, store them in an airtight container, preferably a glass bottle or a steel bottle, and they have a very long shelf life, and you can snack on them whenever you feel like with a nice hot cup of tea. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you do give it a try. I'll catch you in my next video sooner than anything. This is Akshata signing off. Take care guys. Bye.